Hi there. I'm going to show you what comes in the Rocket Junior drum kit today. First we've got some drum skins, bits of cardboard, 2 tom drums, a box which has the stands inside, the drum shells, cymbals all packaged up, snare drum and some more hardware. I'm going to start assembling the kick drum. First got the drum head here and get this sort of rim around it. Pop that here. Here we've got these little clamps that kind of attach the actual head to the drum. Just line them up with these metal bits, and what you want to do is kind of screw them in with the drum key that's provided. And then you kind of want to go opposite. So you put this one in first and then go for the one that's opposite that. And then keep doing the same all the way around. There we go. Okay, so once the kick drum heads are on, you'll be wanting to put the pedal together. All you do is pop this beater in here and tighten that little wing nut, and then you've got your kick drum. Okay, after you've put the drum head to the floor tom on the same way as you would with the kick drum, you want to put the legs on, which are these things. You just slot into these holes here. Again, just tighten some loose with a small wing nut. And then adjust it as high as you want and just tighten that back up. Do the same with the other 3 legs. For the snare stand, you just do the same as the majority of it. Just pop it in this, pop the top bit into this bottom bit and tighten the little nut on there. And the snare drum, which comes assembled anyway, pop it into the stand. For the rack toms, we've got these metal bits that hold them. You just put them into the top of the bass drum here, tighten everything up. Just pop the rack toms on these metal pieces. You want the smaller of the 2 on the left and the bigger on the right. Set up the hi-hat and the hi-hat stand. You want to get it all set up upright, so tighten the legs and everything. Make sure this hole from the foot pedal is sort of going all the way through the stand. Okay, so you pop the metal washer and the felt on. You get your bottom hi-hat there. And then what you want to do is take your clutch, pop it through the top hat, and pop felt in the middle as well. And you just want to tighten that nut that came on there. And pop that on top here, raise up a little bit and just pop that wing nut a bit tighter. And then, right, so the last bit is getting the crash cymbal on. It goes through this little bit on the bass drum. You just feed this through and tighten that up. And loosen this nut on top, get the felt off. Pop the crash cymbal on there. Pop the felt and the washer back on. And tighten that up. Right, now we'll put the drum stool together. Again, similar to the other stands, just fold the legs out. And tighten that up. Put this next bit on here, just this little bolt here just kind of sits in like this. And again, tighten that up, you don't want to be falling off the seat. And then the top just goes on, again, very similar. And there you go, that's done.